My name is Bhagali and my group members are Maganali, Asnan or Numan. So my project is library management system. Now we will go to IntelliJ IDEA. Then then we will see abstract class book. Now we made fields, title, author or copies, two string type and one int type. Both are return the type. Now we will make them private for initialize value to do these fields. We make a constructor. Now we make no here we make getter for title and getter for author and then in type get copies. Here we make here I am made a method to for copies. Here if copies are available, then it return a type. Now we make a method बराबर if copies are अगर copies available हो if copies are available तो book brought successfully, then else condition में now in else condition book is not available, then a return method में if return book successfully copies plus return, then if else में book return not successfully. Now we make abstract method display info. उसके बाद after that I made a science book abstract polymorphism. Here I am use polymorphism to extend book. So over here override method in display info. Then I have made fiction book. Two books are given, science book and fiction book. Now here I display info method. Now I made member class. Okay. So here that's two fields, name and member ID. Here I initialize a method, initialize constructor that contains two fields, string name and string member ID. Now that's main method, that's main class that contain hash map that is used for key and value both. Now here I am giving both string and member, science book and fiction book, member ID, member name. Now here I give library menu and lost. I have made switch case one contain. Here we give ID. If ID is correct, then member ID is valid. If not, so invalid. That's book ID. That's book ID. Now go to borrow book null. Now here I use a word keyword null that contain a storage heap value. Now null my project. Here library menu are given. If I want to borrow book, then I press 1. If I want to return a book, press 2. If I want to view books, then I press 3. Or exit. Loop यहाँ से exit here loop exit. Now I press 3rd. So my project is running fast. String value as a key, next value for value, then copies, two copies are given, are allotted, then copies available, 2 and 3 copies are available. That's my project.